Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to get 120 FPS in Fortnite on PS5. Press the PlayStation button. Now go to Home. Then go to Settings from the top right. Then click on Screen and Video. Then select Video Output. Now select 120Hz output. Now select it as Automatic. Now click on ALLM. Then change it to Automatic. Now go to Settings. Then click on Save Data and Game App Settings. Now click on Game Presets. Now click on Performance Mode. Then change it to Performance Mode. Now open the game. Now press the Start button from the controller. Now go to Settings. Under Graphics, click on 120 FPS mode and turn it on. By following the steps, you can get 120 FPS in Fortnite on PS5.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.